Check it out. There it is. We got the Castle Creations Mamba X paired with a 1406 4600 kV motor running a stock pinion, and well, there it is, guys. That's why I'm making the video today. We're going to try out these new Jconcepts Magmas, and we also have the Jconcepts switchbacks. Maybe we'll try those out today. We'll see. But I wanted to show you guys what they weigh, size difference compared to stock, maybe how fast we can go, all that good stuff, and some jumps out in the big dirt hills. So let's check them out. First thing people probably want to know is, well, how big are they and how much do they weigh compared to the stock? Let's go ahead and see. Now, one thing I would like to tell you is once you do mount them up to your truck, you're actually going to be wider. I'll tell you here in a minute how much more wide. We'll take the fronts off and we'll put the stocks back on, and you can see how much it widens the truck. Let's go ahead and weigh up the stock tires first and see what they weigh. So here we go, stock tire, doesn't matter front or back. One thing I will tell you is the stock tires are different compound from front to rear. Rear is softer, I believe. I don't remember. Anyways, there we are, 3.7 ounces for the stock tire. And then there's the Jconcepts tires. Feels a bit heavier, not much. So 4.7. Guys, it's so close, it's not even that noticeable. It's like 1 ounce heavier. And look at the traction. They're not actual bead locks like the bigger size 1/8 scale and 1/5 scale tires. These are just a rim, one piece, and they are made for front and rear. And guys, you can find these on my website, www.PnwRcMadness.com. Currently, I only have one set left in stock, but I have more, so I'll put those on pre-order. Let's just see how much wider it makes the truck compared to stock. So we'll go ahead and push the truck all the way over to the edge, and we'll see what we have here. We line it up all the way over here to the right. And I know we're on a measuring mat itself, but we're going to get a little bit closer. It makes the truck almost 11 inches. I'd say it's 10 7/8 inches wide with the Jconcepts Magmas. With the stock tires, we're an inch narrower at about 9 7/8. So once you install these on your truck, you're going to be about 1 inch wider. Before we get out in the dirt and the pavement, guys, I just want to tell you these are not made specifically for the Maxx, the Mini Maxx. These are made for the Traxxas Rustler and the Traxxas Rustler 4x4. Both of these are Traxxas Rustler 4x4 pre-mounted, and the part number is 4122-39812 for the Magmas, and part number for the switchbacks is 4075-39812.
And guys, these are the switchbacks by Jconcepts. Woo! There we go, guys. Oh! Like that, baby. Oh.